Hi everybody, it's Carol with Refunction Crafts, and this is going to be the quickest video ever. This is my giveaway video for my 9,000 subscriber raffle. And the way that we're going to pick this winner is through a YouTube random comment picker that I use on my phone. And what it does is I've copied and pasted the URL for the video that I had all of you make your comments on. And those of you who got into this one know it was actually in my video where I did the little metal charms. And I had everybody just put their comments in there and do a thumbs up and all those good things. And so that's how we're picking our winner. So there is the URL for that video. So all I have to do now is this is going to randomly grab all of the comments that you guys made. It will not use duplicate comments. So if the same user made 2 comments, it will only pull one of your comments. It won't pull both. So we're going to go ahead, and the winner is going to win this domino charm, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Let me go ahead and zoom in on this for a second. So this is the domino. It's this beautiful lady here. And look at all the beautiful dangles that are on this one. So it's really gorgeous. This is a great, great prize. So anyway, that's what we're going to be doing. I am going to back off just a little bit so that you guys can see my phone here. And I am going to hit go. Let's see, did I hit it? No. I did. What are you doing? It's not doing anything. Whoopsies. Okay, so my phone has frozen here. That's weird. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to start over. This is the random comment picker. I'm going to paste the URL there again, and we're going to hit go. And why is it not doing it? Because I do still have gems. You have to buy gems in order to do this. It only takes 1 gem, and I have 3 here. So why isn't it doing this? This is not cool. Well, maybe the paste didn't, or the copy didn't do something right. So let's go ahead and go back in here. I'm going to go to my content here, and it is this video here. I'm going to hit share video. I'm going to hit copy, and we're going to go back here. We're going to hit paste. But see, the go is not highlighting for some reason. I didn't have any trouble with this last time I did this, so I don't get why it is doing this. Okay. All right, we're just going to go ahead and buy 1 more gem. I shouldn't have to be doing this, and this is going to just make me mad. So I'm going to have to figure out why they are doing this to me. Okay, so now I've got a 4 right there, so I should be able to... Here, I'm going to go this way. Hold on, let me copy my URL again for that video. And I'm going to my videos. Oops, and that's the one I want right there. This is a metabolism killer. This is a metabolism we don't want to watch the commercial. Skip. Okay.
That's a really...
Alright, so I am going to share, copy link, and now let's get over here and paste. Oh, see, now it's highlighted. I must have pasted it wrong from the, because I did it from my YouTube studio. That's okay. Now I've got 4 gems. It's okay. Okay, so now we've got our video in there, and we are going to hit go. And I'm confirming that video so you can see it's the video that we did the charms in, that I had everybody do their comments for. Confirm video, and no, we don't want 3 winners, we only want 1. 1. See, and now it's not letting me just paste 1 in there. What is wrong with this? I had no trouble the last time. Okay, now let's pick 1. Okay. There's no keyword that anyone has to choose. And count each user 1 time, so you can see it will only count each user 1 time. And this is just based on your comments, you guys. So now I'm going to hit start giveaway. And it's going through all of the people that commented. And at Daily Bread 7364 is my winner. So you guys can see. If I can get it to focus. So that is our winner this time, you guys. Congratulations at Daily Bread. You are my winner on this one. So I will be getting this out to you ASAP. And at some point, it'll happen some point during this week or by the beginning of next week. I will get this mailed to you. So congratulations, and everybody, would you please congratulate our winner for the 9,000 subscriber giveaway. Yay! Yay! So anyways, you guys, that's it for this one. I hope you all got a chance to see this and hang around to wait and see if you were the winner. And that was out of quite a few comments, so that was pretty good. All right, you guys, have a great day. God bless you all, and take care. And I'll see you in the next video.